I just got your floor wet.
From what?
My tears.
Why are you crying?
There's a sliver of my nail. What do you want me to do?
Get it out.
How? Oh my god, it's so gross.
Probably gonna hurt more trying to get it out.
No, Mom. I don't want you to get it. I can't see. This is a joke. Mom, don't push on it. You see it?
I don't know that there's anything in there.
Mom, I clearly see a piece of wood right there. Ow. Mom, just don't on it.
Yeah, I am. I wish I got the part when you were crying, though.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Get it out.
Well, if you want me to get it out, I have to touch your finger. Cut your nail, Barbara.
Ow.
With clippers.
Give me the nail clippers. Get out of here now. Mom, tell her to stop.
She doesn't get me in that thing.
She's gonna.
In the bathroom closet.
Get out.
Why?
They're not in there. Oh my god.
Who had the toenail clippers on?
I didn't.
Look in the drawer. Are you still gonna be sick?